Welcome onboarding with Threeland Travel. We are Threeland Travel, as a professional destination management business, adds a personal touch to imaginative and profitable corporate services. Threeland Travel prides ourselves in organizing many successful events for many MICE groups around the globe. We provide a comprehensive, high-quality meeting planning service. We can help you from start to finish, regardless of the subject. Our expert conference management team offers a comprehensive variety of services. We provide a wide range of programs that include everything you need to make your event a success. We can give creative performances such as music, dance, and other entertainment to make your event more memorable. In addition, we provide tour guides and may design a trip for your group. You select the destination, and we provide everything. We offer you with the most exciting and amazing days in Vietnam. We assist in every steps and we are present the D-Day to coordinate the event. Contact Threeland Travel for professional and unique MICE group services.